I'm about to read your mind, and I'll do it with math. Follow along, don't skip, and I'll guess your total. It's mental math magic. Here's a grid of numbers from 1 to 16. First, pick any number you like. Keep it in your head. Don't say it out loud. If it helps, point to it or circle it on paper so you don't forget. Now, pick a second number, but here's the rule. It must be in a different row and a different column from your first number. That means it can't line up with your first number horizontally or vertically. For example, you pick up number 10, so now the next number you pick should not be in the same row and should not be in the same column. Have you picked up the second number? Great. Now circle it or write it somewhere. Don't forget this too. Numbers. Great. For your third number, same rule, different row, different column from both numbers you've already picked. Remember the rules. I hope you picked our third number. Just keep it in your mind or circle it. Now pick your final fourth number. Again, different row and different column from all your previous 3 picks. If you follow along all the rules perfectly, you now have 4 completely separate numbers. Got all 4? Good. Add them together in your head. I have no idea what you picked, but here comes the magic. Your total is 34. Did I just get it right? Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Here's the fun part. You can try this again with a totally different set of numbers, and I'll still nail the answer. Replay this and test me. Just try this trick with your loved ones. Let them know about your math magic talent. And don't forget to subscribe to MathSpire and like this video so you don't miss my next mind-reading trick.